Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Monday, April 11, 2022 on our channel. Thermocold presented high-temperature air-water heat pumps Domino EXR. Hoshizaki boosts its spare parts supply chain with new distribution center. Refrigeration and air conditioning compressors market 2022 to 2029. So, first news today. Thermocold presented high-temperature air-water heat pumps Domino EXR. Thermocold's Domino EXR is the range of high-temperature air-water heat pumps used for the hot water production up to 65 degrees, suitable for residential applications that require a heating capacity between 22 and 168 kilowatts. The extended operating map, from which the name in quat, EXR in quat, derives, ensures high reliability of the system, lower number of components and lower risk of downtime thanks to liquid injection scroll compressors and sophisticated electronic control. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Hoshizaki boosts its spare part supply chain with new distribution center. Hoshizaki Europe announced the opening of its new spare part distribution center for the European markets. The new distribution center for spare parts orders throughout Europe is an integral element of Hoshizaki's strategy to further advance the company's customer service by building synergies, streamlining supply chain operations, and partnering with experienced partners to fulfill this task. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Refrigeration and air conditioning compressors market 2022 to 2029. A new market research report by SMR Certified Market Research on the refrigeration and air conditioning compressors market includes Global Industry Analysis 2014 to 2021 and Opportunity Assessment 2022 to 2029. The report investigates the refrigeration and air conditioning compressors market and provides critical insights for the forecast period of 2022 to 2029. As per the findings of the report, the global refrigeration and air conditioning compressors market is expected to experience substantial growth during the forecast period due to multiple driving factors such as increasing retail stores across the globe. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.